Alright, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Batang Maynila to. Yan po nakikita nyo sa screen mga kababayan. Alam ko kilalang kilala nyo na. Ito si Damarcad's Tugi Zombie. Etong si Tugi Zombie mga kababayan ay umalis na ng Pilipinas at bumalik na sa kanilang bansa dyan sa Nigeria. At matagal na panahon ding hindi niya nakasama ang kanyang mga magulang. Kaya finally mga kababayan, after 8 years, ito mga kababayan, muli niyang makikita at makakasama etong kanyang mga magulang maging yung kanyang mga kapatid. Eto mga kababayan, panoorin natin itong vlog ni Zombie kung saan ito na nga ang muling pagkikita ni Tugi Zombie at ng kanyang mga magulang. Panoorin po natin.
Guys, after 8 years, actually my brain doesn't know. I mean, they know I'm coming home, but they don't know I'm here right now. That's our house right there. That's our house right there. I told my dad and my mom I'm gonna come home today, but I'm gonna tell them the time. Feels different, yeah. This is where I grew up. This is where I grew up. This is Nigeria. This is my home. This is where I was born. Let's go. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know whatever. I feel nervous. I feel shaky. I feel everything. What's part of it? I want to go see my mom after 8 years. My dad. That's the house right there. The pink house. My dad. Is it recording? The video is recording? That's our mini drugstore. Our medicine store. This is our house. This is our What is up? Daddy. 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 Mamio. 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 Mamio je dubale je dubale. Mamio mudili o. Mamio. Mamio. Ah, daddy o. Ah. Mamio. Eh, mudili. Ah, eti dagba o. Mamio. Mommy mio. Mommy mio. Mommy, you are welcome. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Èmi nìyẹn.
Ó tún níta. Mommy. Mommy ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ọ̀gá omi ìṣẹ̀ tí ìwẹ̀ gan.
Ẹ ti dàgbà o.
Everybody ti ń dàgbà náà.
Ẹ ti dàgbà o.
Daniel.
Mo dé èmi nìyẹn. Mo ti dé.
Daniel.
Èmi nìyẹn mo rí.
Dandan.
Èmi nìyẹn mo dé.
Ó káàbọ̀.
Mo dé mo rí. Mami mo dé.
Káàbọ̀.
Mami o.
I'm happy to see you.
Okay Paul. Okay Paul.
Tí ìjọ kí ni
Okay
ẹgbẹ́
Paul.
ìkó náà ti yọ ni.
Okay
Friend,
Paul.
you are welcome.
Okay Paul.
God bless you.
Mami kí lè sọ sí Romi? Kí ló ṣe? Mami ẹ̀ láìkè.
O ti fi attachment sí.
Bí Ìbàdàn lè sí o.
O ti dreadlock.
Mi dreadlock wọ́n fẹ́ ló ṣe. Kí lè máa forúkọ ẹ̀?
We have to go with that.
Ó sì kejì. Oh, sorry. You don't know me? I know you don't know me. Let's do this. Oh, mom's konja. Báwo ni konja wà?
Wow, okay, the phone now.
Ẹ sì ní okùn tó máa fi ń fa konja.
I knew about you send you to pockets.
I wish to fetch for that.
From there. Oh, the house is open now.
It's just an experience, yeah, mom. Mom, you want to padlock? If I look to work, you don't live. Yeah.
That's how it is. This is guava. That's
So
another fact.
this is what you use to get the fruit. All right, here we go. Maybe later we can have some cassava.
Yes, you have cassava powder.
Good.
Have it.
Thank you, Ayobami. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
No, it's good now.
It's good. You like it?
It's good. It's good.
Okay. Let's go inside. She wants to bag me, black. One. Sheven, Daniel Oluwadamilola, okay, Bachelor in Science in Nursing. Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And this is my photo. My graduation.
No, you mean.
Mommy, do you like it?
Oh, wow.
You like it? Daddy, you like it? Fine. Very good. Nice.
Alright, so yan mga kababayan. Finally, after 8 years, nakabalik na si Tugi Zombie dun sa kanilang lugar, sa kanilang bansa dyan sa Nigeria. At finally, nakasama niya na ang kanyang mga magulang. Grabe nun, tagal din nun, 8 years. At dun sa huling clip, mga kababayan, ay pinakita niya yung kanyang accomplishment. Siya ay graduate ng Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Hindi lang nasabi kung siya ay pumasa na sa board exam, pero graduate na siya ng nursing dito sa bansa natin sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman tuwan-tuwa yung kanyang mga magulang sa accomplishment ni Zombie, ni Daniel. Daniel ang totoo niyang pangalan. So yun mga kababayan, basahin lang natin itong ilang mga komento ng ating mga kababayan bilang pagtatapos. Enjoy with your family, Sir Tugi Zombie. Happy for you, nakauwi ka na sa inyo. Nakakamiss ka pilang ang family. I feel you, sir. OFW din ako. Ayan. Ay, nakakatuwa naman, Tugi Zombie, kasama mo na family mo. Balik ka ulit dito sa Pinas, saka sa Itbulaga. Ayan. Good for you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa iyong pamilya. I feel so emotional. You really have strong family ties. Enjoy with your family. Inshallah, makabalik ka na ng Pilipinas, dalaw ka uli sa bayan ng Pansit Batil Patong. Naiiyak ako sobra. I'm happy for you. Seeing your family again is such a wonderful moment to see. Watching you hugging your dad and mom and your brother Paul made me teary-eyed. What an emotional coming home after 8 years in staying Pinas. You came from a humble beginnings, but look how the gracious Lord God Almighty had brought you this far. You are so blessed because you have been a blessing to others as well. My prayer is for God to bless and use you more in the industry. He brought you to bring joy, sharing the talents He gave you for His glory. Keep on sharing with us how you're bonding with your parents and loved ones. Just look how far you've come and always be grateful to God. Kayak naman, congrats! Enjoy your moment with your family, Lods. Luto ka adobong manok dyan. Patikimin mo raw ng adobong manok yung mga magulang, pati yung mga kapatid. 8 years, how does it feel to be away from family for 8 years? Pero mo 8 years, nakagraduate siya ng nursing, kasi nursing di ba 4 years lang. At pagkatapos, naging vlogger, milyon ng subscribers, napasama sa Itbulaga, at nagkaroon ng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas. At ang balita natin, nagkaroon lang siya ng problema kasi ang kanyang visa ay student visa. So wala siyang working visa. So yun sigurong naging problema. Kaya siguro bumalik muna siya sa kanilang bansa dyan sa Nigeria para siguro pag-isipan maigi kung babalik pa siya. Kasi kung gusto niya talagang bumalik, aasikasuhin niya yung kanyang mga papeles para walang problema. Mas maganda yung maayos maayos yung kanyang pagbabalik dito sa Pilipinas. It's good to be home, idol. Pinaramdam mo yung pusong Pinoy at bilang isang anak para sa magulang mo. Namiss kita, idol, sa sugod bahay sa E8 Bulaga. Sana bumalik ka uli sa TV5 po, watching from Saudi Arabia, OFW. Yun lang nga, kinakailangan niyang ayusin yung kanyang papeles para tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang pagtatrabaho dito sa Pilipinas. So ayun lang muna mga kababayan, binahagi ko lang sa inyo itong emotional na pagkikitang muli ng ating Dabber Cats, Tugi Zombie at kanyang mga magulang pagkatapos po ng 8 taon na siya ay nanatili dito sa Pilipinas. At yan, kitang-kita naman natin na talaga namang nakakaiyak, masyadong emotional yung muling pagkikita. So yun lang muna mga kababayan, tutok-tutok lang sa Batang Maynila to at sa iba pang mga updates. Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless.